Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make a mug cake using all my ingredients in the fractions. First, what you want to do, roll up your sleeves, obviously, wash your hands. We have all our ingredients right here. First, it says spray the bottom of your mug. Make sure to spray it. Once you spray it, it says add the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking powder, salt, and stir together. So, what you want 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of all, 2, third one. Next, it says add the sugar. So we want 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2. Then it says you want to get your cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, it wants you to add your baking powder, which you're gonna wanna add 1/4 of the baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Of baking powder, and then you're gonna want a dash of salt after you do that. What they mean by a dash of salt is just like a little pinch in there. You don't want a lot of salt because you don't want it to taste gross. They're that much of that salt. You're gonna want to stir them together. All your ingredients that you just mixed. Want to make sure they're nice and blended. Then next, what you want to do, you're gonna wanna melt a tablespoon of butter. So you have your measurements on your butter on the backside right here. It says you want 1 tablespoon, which is about right here. Once you cut off your butter, put it in here, stick it in the microwave. I say about like 30 seconds until it's actually fully melted. And you're gonna add your milk, which you want 3 tablespoons of milk. Grab your milk, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to want to add your butter now. It's all in there. Gonna mix and make sure when you start mixing, stir them until it's a smooth paste. So want to make it too chunky, just make it smooth paste. This paste right here. Then you're gonna want to add just like a little bit of chocolate chips. Not a lot, just a little bit. You said to add a little bit of vanilla extract after you mix it a little bit. 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1/8 is really tiny. 1/8. Mix it together real quick, and then add it to the microwave. It said for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. While you're waiting, you probably take up the time to clean up all your materials that you've been using. But looks pretty good. Then you put like a little bit of whipped cream on top and then consume. But yeah, very good, and it's gonna taste super tasty. All right, thank you.